Hey, welcome to the Philippines. I'm John.
I'm Jan. I'm Leslie. I'm Hannah. I'm Luke. I'm Rina. Nettie.
We're about to go on an adventure, baby. Let's go. Welcome back, adventurers. All right. So today, we're going to do some of the edge cleaning. We're going to clean up some of these edges here. We're going to do all the fine line stuff here, like this right here. That area right there, it kind of needs to be with dirt, and it was kind of hard for them to get up there too. So we're going to basically just take these big rocks out, these huge rocks out, leave the little rocks. Then we're going to go up to the second level there. I don't know if you can see where the deck ends, and that level right there is where the dirt's going to have to sit today. So we're going to get that all done today. We're starting to clean the edges out so we can have the same exact level around. Hannah in pajamas. What do you think, sweetheart? Huh? What do you think? No. Then we get the beautiful baby girl. Hey, baby girl, what do you say? It's good. So we're taking all the huge rocks and we're putting them over there. She's already moved 2 or 3 barrels of it over here. We've got all these rocks here that she moved over there. She's moved a couple of those rocks over there. So we're going to get the edges cleaned up here so we're able to finish getting that same level of the flooring there. Today we're going to get started with this right here. And we're going to move those big rocks out of here and put the little rocks in. I got to go back there, grab some dirt, and put it over here, and then we're going to kind of level and then human tamper the thing out. So we'll give you another update like we always do. We'll talk to you then. All right, adventurers. Welcome back to your evening update. All right. So today, we did accomplish the goal that we were trying to accomplish. We got that all leveled off and pitched to go down here with the road being pitched down there. Now, 2 things on that. The first thing is that, if you remember correctly, the road height was actually right here, which is why we the garden and everything like that. But now you can actually see that we've raised that by about 3.5 feet. And if you remember correctly, the road was actually pitched this way, where the water was coming down on this side. So what we ended up doing is we ended up starting right here. All right, and we had the guy put it all up against it. You can see that in the last video. And then pitched it down to that way now. So all the water now is going to go down that way into those trees there. So now the water is going to be off the road and everything like that. So again, the second thing that we're talking about here is that we also came over here and we matched it perfectly, because it wasn't matched perfectly. I twisted my ankle. There was a hole here. There was a big rock over here. So we ended up raking all of that out. This whole area here took most of the day because of the fact that we ended up using wheelbarrow over there. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, right there. That wheelbarrow right there. And we ended up taking 10 loads. Each load had about 30 scoops of dirt in it. We had to sift out the big rocks as much as we could. And then we had to pack down again so we can let the water come down this way and follow the flow of the water as well. And we brushed it together with that to close it up. And you can just look in the first half of the video. You'll actually see what wasn't done and then compare it to what is done. And then we did our whole human tampering thing here. I didn't want to get too close to this because that's only a single block right now. Once we get the wall and we raise it up to where it's supposed to be so we can go here even with that, then we'll be able to put more in there. But for now, it's good for what we need right now. And again, yep, it's what we did. It's what we were planned on doing, and we did accomplish that goal right there. And we accomplished it because we are J&J, and this is our adventure, baby. Bing!